everybody will have these materials at home, and I'm going to teach you how to make something like this that you can actually warm yourself up. And then that's basically the one of the major reason why people have pain, right?
Yes.
It's actually coldness. Any kind of rice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Why rice? Why rice? Why not beans?
Oh, the bean is different. The rice is very good for your muscle tightness, according to the traditional Chinese medicine. The spleen and stomach goes to the muscle, and so it's good to release your pain. And yes.
And it smells really good, right?
Yes. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to just show how to make a socks. And then this is the cotton socks, and then I have a rice, and then either white rice or brown rice, doesn't matter. And then I will just put the rice into the socks.
That's
okay. Please help me.
Yeah. How much do we need to fill up the socks?
Okay. So usually like this.
Mm-hmm.
So there's just something you can just like shoot like this, and I can just put here, or I can just put my abdomen area, or I can just put my back like this. So just make a little bit space like this.
Yeah, we're just trying to massage a little bit and make sure that the socks is filled with rice, but don't do too much, otherwise it cannot bend according to the shape, right, of your body. Okay.
Yes.
And then
that's it. And then
very simple.
Yeah, very simple. You just make a knot like
on the
this, top like this, and then yes, that's it.
You are ready to go. And then, so how to warm it up?
So I can just put this in the microwave like this, and 2 minutes.
To come out too hot, and then how do you help patients to make sure they don't get burned?
If you feel like really hot, just put the like a blanket or just a towel on the surface of the body, and then you can put it like you need a layer. So it's easy. So yes, that's it. It's ready. I can just put on my neck.
For the neck pain, right?
Yes, neck pain. And then I can just put my abdomen area for the like menstrual cramp. And then for the lower back pain, I can put it here, and then lay down on the back like this.
And how about the shoulder, the elbow,
the shoulder?
everything?
Definitely, I can put it here. And you can just put it like here.
Wow, so comfortable. So some people may ask, what kind of a material is this?
Oh, it's cotton is the best.
Okay, because we're going to put it
in the
microwave.
And
okay.
So that's cotton socks is very good.
So hope you'll like it.